334 million was just liquidated from the crypto market. 124,000 traders just got liquidated. We're back with a new week. It's Monday. Let's see what our trading plan is for this week. So make sure you guys watch the video till the end because we're going to find the best opportunities for trading and how we can avoid becoming a liquidation statistic. So let's get started. Looking at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map for the past 1 week, we had this very nice move up over the weekend, right? And we've just swept this bunch of liquidity right here at 105,000, and you can see a lot of people have been piling into shorts, right? You can see the liquidity started to build up from here, and we have 163 million just sitting up here. We did just sweep this little cluster down here, right? People that have been FOMOing into this move up just got wrecked, just got liquidated right here. 157 million just got liquidated. So let's take a look at the actual charts. What is our actual plan for Bitcoin right now? You can see I have a few key levels marked here. We are trading quite nicely on this demand zone. I would say this area of support right here. Not the most perfect, you know, if we extend it down to these highs, it becomes quite a big zone. But you can see generally, right, this area is where candles have been reacting. So we can expect it to possibly bounce here and then come up and sweep this supply zone, right? We have all this sideways price action here that's built up liquidity up here. And we can also see that the 1 hour RSI has entered overbought, right? And overbought is when the momentum is at its strongest. There has not been any clear divergences. You can see we made a low here, right? This low. Then we made a high, which was a high also on price. And then we made a low, right? These lows, which is also a low. So there has not been any clear divergence on the RSI yet. Okay. And that's why I think that we could actually get one more move up before we actually see the real push down. Now, pairing this with the fact that the 4 hour RSI is supposedly going to move, well, I mean, if we're looking at the cycles, right, it moves from bottom to top, top to bottom, right? So you can see we came from the top, went to the bottom, and now supposedly we should be going 4 hour, should be moving into the overbought region. Okay, and this move up has broken this key structure, you know, this like this W pattern here, right? The neckline, boom, we broke out. We are testing it right now. So this is a valid area to take a long position from. Okay, and we want to see a price move up. So let's get into it right away. What is my plan? Looking at the chart right now, this is a very valid long position that I would possibly take. We have been longing actually from the bottom, right? We have been longing since 101. Guys, in the free Telegram channel, we have been longing since 101. Look at all this, our members have been crushing it. Yeah, so you guys want to join the Telegram channel, link is below. It's completely free, right? So this is a valid trade that I would take a long position here. Possibly my stop loss would be pretty low since I am adding to a long position from 101 around here. So maybe I would put my stop loss somewhere around here, 102, 1025, right? Because we have this key support level and ideally we want to see it hold. Yeah, so this would be a trade that I will be taking. Long it up to here is about 1 to 1.3 RR. Not the best, but decent, right? Because again, we are longing from the bottom. So this RR overall would be something like this, right? Average entry would be somewhere around here. Yeah, so this is a very valid trade which is happening right now. We are going to see if price can hold this level. Let's zoom in a little bit. Actually, let's take a look at what's happening down here on the RSI. So 15 minutes just got into oversold. We could actually see something like this happen, boom, and then we see the move up, right? Just to tap into this supply zone right here, plus with that RSI divergence on the 15 minutes. So if you want, you could actually wait for a stronger confirmation for this trade. But for me, since I already have a position from down here, I wouldn't mind just going for it and just entering this position right here. This would be my long setup. Another long position I would take if this one does break would be from down here. Let's see where our CME gap is. Let me just open up CME chart. So CME gap is down here, 104, right? So this could actually play out. Again, we're looking at this RSI, so we could actually see the 15-minute fill this CME gap, plus with the RSI divergence, that could actually be a very, very nice long trigger. So if this current support actually breaks and we do go a bit lower, I will be paying attention to that CME gap plus this 15-minute RSI bullish divergence to see if we can get another long position pot, maybe from somewhere around here, right? 1038, 1029, somewhere around here, and see if we can actually trade it up, right? And if we do get this long, it will be really, really good, right? A scenario where I will be confident to hold it much longer is if we actually see this 4-hour push into overbought. That's when we can tell, that's when we know that higher time frame momentum is really building up. Then we could possibly be targeting the top of this this whole range, right? After this dump, we've been in this range, so we could actually be targeting the top of this range, 116. Yeah, so this is actually a very, very crucial support level for Bitcoin. Now, shorts on the other hand, I would only short maybe from around 108 or from this supply zone right here. Right, so this is where the big this dump happened. So I will only short from here. Again, that will have to have additional confirmations. If we are in the 4-hour overbought, then we need 4-hour bearish divergences on the RSI for me to look for a short position from here, right? But the closest trades that we currently have are these possible longs, right? From this support, this neckline that we just broke out, this is the first one from this current neckline where we're at, where we are already seeing a small reaction. Let's see if that can continue up. The second would be from down here, right? When we get that CME gap fill plus 15 minutes bullish divergences, that would be my second entry. If this breaks and we do move below, that would be my second entry. Maybe we can even layer it with golden pocket, right? So this would actually be a pretty good trade. Yeah, we have a few, we would have a few confluence lining up. Some fib levels, CME gaps, right? If we have the 15-minute bullish divergence, this would be a nice trade to take as well from around 1032, something like that. Yeah, so this is the current plan for BTC right now. Let's keep it simple, keep it short. If you guys want more frequent updates and want to actually see how I trade and want to learn my trading style, I prepared a free starter pack for you guys. Right, it's completely free. It shows you exactly all of this. You get all of this completely for free. It's in the Telegram channel below. If you guys want it, click on the link below and you can get access to this for free in the Kyzen Crypto Telegram channel. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.